In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your custom video frame player in Framer. I'm Georgia from Insert Frame. Let's go. So I've already got a video frame player set up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the video captions component from the video frame plugin. So I'll just open that, go to components and go down to captions, and I'll pull this into my video player. So once I've dragged it into the control bar, we'll notice that these settings pop up on the properties panel. You'll also see that we've got this icon here now that we can edit and add to the other icons in our control bar stack. Now in this properties panel, there is 3 properties to know about. The first one is show captions by default. This sets whether captions are on when the video loads or not live and you have to toggle them on. It's like I did in the intro video. The second one, which is caption language, you have to type your preferred language in here. So for English, it would be EN, FR for French, or ES for Spanish. The player will try to load the language if it's available. So when you type it in here, it will try to load it for you. The third one is the captions URL. This one is only for uploaded or HTML5 video files. If you've got a VTT caption file hosted somewhere publicly, you can paste the URL in here as well, and it attaches to your video. So just one thing to note is that the component in a track selector is not a simple on-off switch. When your visitors click the CC button, they'll get a drop-down to pick a caption track to turn them on or off. Now, there is a difference between platforms, for example, Vimeo, YouTube, and uploaded. For uploaded files, you just paste in your VTT URL in the URL field. Make sure it's publicly accessible and you'll have full control. For Vimeo, captions are pulled through from whatever text tracks are available on your video. So what's already available in your Vimeo video. You have to set this up in Vimeo. For YouTube, Videoframe passes your language preferences through the YouTube embeds. So whatever's actually shown on YouTube and set by the YouTube owner is what is going to be able to pull through to your Framer video player. Now the thing that you want to learn about the most is customizing your icon. Now you can change the size of your icon, you can change the no caption icon, you can change the active icon, and you can also change the color. Now I'm using a Vimeo video, so I haven't pasted in my captions here, but you would do that if that's what you were using. Now all I have to do is go publish, and yep, we can see that my captions are working, so that's awesome. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video and learning about Videoframe and how to add captions in Framer. I'll see you in the next video. Happy building!